Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Taking care of your yard does not have to be uncomfortable.
We recently made a major upgrade to our lawnmower with the Seat Suspension Kit from SouyouSeat. This kit turns a bumpy ride on your lawnmower into a smooth and comfortable experience, as you can see here, with an adjustable shock absorption, and it's letting my husband just glide through that lawn mowing session. This kit comes with everything that you need to install it. The suspension base goes underneath your existing seat and is super robust, it's durable, it's made from high quality steel, and the difference is night and day. So check out how much my husband would bounce around before we installed this suspension kit. He really complained of a lot of back pain and being super sore after he mowed our lawn. And because we have about 2.5 acres to mow, we definitely needed to make a change. So the installation was straightforward. It took us about maybe an hour or so, and really it has made such a huge difference. My husband now feels the suspension system absorbing all of those bumps and bounces, and he's no longer hurting after taking care of our yard. Another nice thing is that you can install this suspension kit on a variety of different types of equipment, so you can actually use this in lawnmowers or tractors or excavators. You just want to make sure that this is going to work with your equipment. This is absolutely an essential investment if you want to make sure that you're taking care of your body and not getting bounced around and absorbing all of that impact and really hurting yourself.
So do yourself a favor, be more comfortable, and check out this awesome suspension kit. You will not be disappointed, and that's my point of view.